Hey guys, it's me, Christine. So I think this is my present from Cutie Pie Titus, Tita Marie, and Tito Brian. Alright, let's start the unboxing video.
Can I do the scissoring thing?
Yes, please. I don't know where to do it. So yeah.
And it finally came for how long?
It's been
Watch out.
for weeks.
No, it's a month already because Alright, I'm not gonna open it. It's you will open.
Okay. I can see multiple things. I'll pull out the first thing. Oh my god.
We'll see.
Oh my gosh! I'm sorry. Yes, let's go. I don't know what this is. A card. Okay, I'm gonna open that up at the end.
I think that's for mommy.
That's for you.
Finally. Yes, she will. We're just unboxing. We have time.
Oh my gosh. Another Hermione Granger one, but it's a different one.
Awesome. Can you show it? Show it.
Wait, there's some things at the bottom of here.
Thank you, Sissy. Finally came. Kila is live. There you go, Sissy. Oh. There you go. I will definitely try this. This is from Korea, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you to Sissy of Sissy Mary Lou.
Not Mary Lou,
Oh,
Mary Lou.
Tita Marie.
Marie.
It's a bummer, right?
And
Tita
what about
Marie.
this? I think that's
Of course, this is from True Friends is a Blessing. It's very true. So,
Mom, I think this is also
finally
yours.
came for a month
After
that
a
they
month.
send. Okay, there you go.
Alright, now I'm opening the card. I don't
And
know
of
how
course,
to
for
open it.
beauty thingy.
She just said
Thank you.
She just said you
It's
stuff
from
in my-
Georgia. From Sissy
You got
Titus,
more things
the
than me.
legend. Ayan, Cutie Pie.
You already
And
got more things than me, but I'm fine. Cause Hedwig, no
That-
way, Hedwig, no way,
And of course, I
No
think it
way.
is Harry
No
Potter.
no way. Yes, it's literally Harry Potter right there, Harry's owl,
Oh my.
who tragically in the Harry Potter series, and I'm not saying the word,
Right.
they tragically
All
in the
right.
Harry Potter series.
Mhm.
You know what? This
And then
means
can I see
Ew.
the? Can I see that?
Harry Potter.
Let me
Hermione
just
Granger
open it,
won.
and we'll see
Hermione
how.
Granger won. No way. No way.
And you have the other one like this, right? But
Except it doesn't have those.
now,
spell
can you
buttons.
read the card?
12, 14, 2020. Wow, that's a long time ago.
I told you.
Happy holidays. May the holiday season
So I'm the
fill
one.
your home with joy. From the Aris family, Brian, Marie, and Titus. Joy to all the world, to family and friends at Christmas and always.
Wait a second.
No way. There's literally a chart. There's a
There you
chart.
go. I think something gonna happen on this. Oh my goodness.
That was Lumos. I'm sorry, Mom.
All right.
There are
So
instructions.
someone is so happy. All right, you're showing it. Is it cool? All right. You're showing it.
Confusing.
Confusing.
But this is like
So other,
that's Lumos.
it's a next collection for her.
And Hedwig!
It's a winner.
Harry Potter.
All right, let it.
Well, you're the winner on getting the most gifts.
Me?
Look at that! I only got two, dude. Hedwig! Hedwig's head rotates.
Really cool, Baba.
Hedwig.
So let me see. Maybe
Hi,
there's this
Hedwig.
music on it. I think. or we need to let's
Batteries. And then Hedwig. Hedwig. Hedwig's head
No.
rotates.
see. Let me see.
Yeah, I think we need the batteries
Maybe.
in.
But I
Hedwig,
couldn't
Hedwig,
see.
Hedwig.
So that's Hedwig, she said. Alright, guys.
Locomotive.
And what do you want to say to Tita Marie, Tito Brian, and to Cutie Pie Titus?
Thank you. That doesn't sound right.
So love you all. Thank you, Sissy. Thank you, brother. Oops, she almost broke my. Thank you, Cutie Pie Titus, and Sissy, Marie, and of course Brian. And hopefully someday we can be we can have get together and see each other in person, and we look forward for that. We love you, family Aries. Bye bye. She doesn't care anymore. She's already having fun. There you go. So I need to say bye and thank you for all the time watching our videos. Bye bye. God bless everyone and stay safe.